Hey y'all, I'm fixing to cook some Cajun crab flatbread. And you talk about it good. And I'm gonna cook it on my brand new pizza oven. And I love it. I've been playing with it. I sleep with it out here sometimes. It's gonna be so fun. Y'all watch this.
The Bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the Bayou.
Hey y'all, this is gonna be real fast, real simple. We're gonna start cutting up our ingredients. This is what we call a holy trinity. Got a little pepper, a little celery, onion. That's it, nothing to it. We're gonna break some of these off. Don't need that many. We're gonna slice them thin as we can get them. Cause I like them thin that way. Look at that. This is something basically you'll find in Louisiana every meal just about. Any kind of etouffees, sauces, anything, gonna have this holy trinity in it. Little peppers, celery. Now I like to cut mine real fine now because I want it cooked real good. So we're gonna cut this real fine right here. It's not gonna take that much because we ain't got that much of bread to cook today. All right, y'all. We got that part of my life is over with. Look at that, mix it all up, it don't matter. Now, notice I haven't got the Blackstone Pizza Oven turned on yet. If we don't need it on yet. Watch what we're going to do. We can get this bread out of here. You don't want your pizza oven on right now. Get too hot, and all it's going to do is burn your bread. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to stuff that back in there. We're going to get our Roman lard sauce right here. Shook it up a little bit. We're just going to try to dump it on here best we can. You could use pizza sauce if you want. It just don't matter. Whatever you want, whatever you got. This is what we got, so this is what we're going to use. I got my spoon right here. Smear it back and forth. Get it looking good. Oh, it smells good, y'all. That one thing about this pizza oven, you cook whatever you want, you put whatever you want on it. It's yours. Own it. Ooh-wee. Now we're gonna put a thin layer of cheese on here, y'all. Just a thin layer. What you doing, you're gonna make all your stuff stick. You'll see, just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna take my vegetables and I'm gonna kind of mix them up a little bit. Mix it by hand. I'm gonna sprinkle them on here. And we got two breads, so we might not use all of this. All right, now we're gonna spread our crab meat on here. We got some good old crab meat. Let me break it up a little bit. I don't know about y'all, but I like, when I'm biting stuff like this, I want a little bit of everything in every bite. Is that pretty? We ain't through yet, no. Come on over here. Got us some black olives in here, y'all. Look at that. We're gonna sprinkle them all over the top. I know I'm being messy, but whatever's left over, I'll put it on the next bread. All right, y'all, we got some good Cajun seasoning right here from Blackstone. We can put it pretty heavy on here. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Ain't that pretty? Now, another layer of cheese. And what happens, once you put all these layers on, you notice I put the cheese on the bottom. So that's gonna get hot. It's gonna melt through the top cheese, stick together, and it's gonna hold this together a lot better. All right, once you get this done, you can go turn your pizza oven on. If I'd have been cooking a regular pizza, I'd have done have my oven on. But right now we're cooking this flatbread. It's already cooked. So if I'd have had it on already, we would be eating burnt flatbread in no time. All right, y'all, let me grab my pizza peel. Get that old thing under there, look at that. Oh, almost look like I know what I'm doing. Is that pretty or what? Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, we're gonna stick this in here, probably about 3 to 4 minutes. It'll be ready. All right, y'all, I want to show y'all this little trick I found out. Right before it gets ready and you want that toasted on the top, just give it the gas. Did you hear that? Give it the gas. Just a few minutes. Look at that bubbling in there. Look. Oh! Hang on. We're ready to get this out. I'm gonna cut the fire off. And look at this. And it stopped. Y'all watch this. Oh, that pretty or what, y'all? Look at that. I cooked that, y'all, by myself. I got a little bitty piece cut for the wife. Now this is for me. You know I don't want no little piece. Y'all, you might think you at a restaurant, but you're not. You at Bruce's house. And I cooked this. And I'll tell you what, you could do it too. It's easy. If you don't have a lot of time, I tell you what, it does real good. Something real fast. Don't take too much time to cook. Look at that. I got this pizza oven thinking I was just gonna cook pizza, but there's so many other things you can do with it. This is good.
Tonight you're cooking with the